This, in the previous years, similar kind of support was given to Pakistan, and believe me, this will always be remembered, not by us, but by all generations to come. So let me say, this is a unique relationship, a relationship which has no parallel, which is very special and can only be interpreted and explained like a family. So we are all sitting here as family members. I think it's like one soul and two hearts. Now's the time for us to sit down, to chart out a program, as Honorable Ministers have said, and as His Excellency has explained in his wonderful speech in Arabic, that now's the time that we should build a roadmap, a program through which not only we can enhance our tajara, but also investments, Saudi investments in Pakistan in various fields, walks of life, where our Saudi brothers earn profits, their investments are fully secured under the law of the land. They can repatriate their profits, and people of Pakistan benefit from these investments in terms of employment, in terms of production, in terms of revenue generation, and so on and so forth. And as these presentations which have been made before you, there are many potential areas of very attractive investments from Saudi companies, Saudi brothers, like Kahraba min al-ma, Kahraba min al-zayt, or gas. There are zara. We can have back-to-back agreements that you invest in zara, agriculture or agricultural-based, industrial investments, and then export all this production back to the Mamlaka. And we can do it in various fields. And then, of course, in natural resources, we are full of natural resources, Pakistan. In hadith, everything is becoming very expensive around the globe. Zayt, gas, hadith, minerals, everything is very expensive. So we have comparatively cheaper labor, Amalyani, and Saudi investments, Pakistani investments in those areas where we can compete with other countries, produce quality products, and export it to Mamlaka and other places of the world. Of course, this will not happen overnight, but slowly and slowly we should move in that direction. And أنا ليس رئيس الوزراء الباكستان، أنا أخوك يعني والله العظيم أخوك يعني، موجود هنا للخدمة، أي خدمة على راسي أي وقت يعني، مستعدين، نحن مشتاقين. We are here to serve you, remove any kind of red tapeism, any kind of bureaucratic problems. We have no words to thank His Royal Highness when he offered straight away $1 billion investment in Pakistan straight away. So we need to create feasibility. We are ready to sit down with you. Our experts, our honorable ministers are ready to sit down with you, prepare feasibility for such a viable project. And Saudi and Pakistani businessmen together, the government of Saudi Arabia and government of Pakistan can sit down together and come out with option 1, option 2, option 3. I mean, there are many. For example, providing drinking water in Madinah and Karachi. It's the largest city of Pakistan. So this can be a bankable, feasible proposition. And there are many others. And then I remember in 1920, Akhil Kareem, if I remember correctly, La Nasita, أنا عارف كذا يعني. That refinery in Pakistan.
Yes.
So we are ready to sit down and discuss about that refinery. And this is a need of the hour. And many other such proposals. The world has changed. Crown Prince has transformed Saudi Arabia. It's become one of the most modern, countries, not only in the Muslim world but around the globe, yet keeping its culture, Islamic values intact. That's extremely important and gratifying. So I think we are here. We sit down, and we meet. Millions of Muslims visit Saudi Arabia every year, and hundreds and thousands of Pakistani people go over there, and go to Medina Munawwara, Makkah Mukarramah. They do shopping in Jeddah, and of course. But now we need investments. We need تجارة. هذا نقطة مهمة جدا أخي الكريم. ضروري جدا. لازم هذا الخبز بعد السياسة أو شيء أخرى. صحيح ولا لا يعني؟ أكيد 100%. So let's really focus on business and trade and investments. And as I said earlier on in my broken Arabic, that I am your brother, not as the Prime Minister, but along with my very able team members sitting here on this desk, the Chief Executive Officer of this country, to promote investments where it's a win-win story. I once again like to thank you and welcome you to your second home. هذا بيت الثاني جدا يعني 100%. So you will go to Karachi, you will go to Faisalabad, to Lahore, and you will see your brothers will welcome you with both arms. Let's really get onto the business and do something which is tangible, and our generations are proud of us that we brothers sat down and made a program, Barnamij, which was win-win for Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. شكرا جزيلا والله يعني هذا مساهم.